Now, I wonder if this is me. That's funny. There's the Chinese. They got a great mirror here all around. It's great. And this is the where the immigrants are living, and in the government building as well. So there isn't a taxi, so I'm leaving. It is a taxi there, but it isn't a taxi there. So Old Horse, nobody goes there. This is the area where people live if they can't get into the hotel. Yeah, yeah. Queer, a lot of queer people in the UK. But I like queer people, but I don't like the ones that are under DL. Down low, down low. Damn! That was a wicked song. It belonged to a guy in jail now. He tried to kill himself. R. Kelly. That was a nice song, actually. Anyway, so I'm definitely allergic to that. And it's, guess what's inside of it? A fox. Wow. What? I'm glad. It's September 1st. These kids are definitely, their parents are definitely wacko. They lost their minds. They're in university. They're making babies, and they can't put the children in the